1965.
Played the Dodgers.
Played against the Dodgers, Koufax, Barnhill, that group, and lost 7 games.
What kind of series did you have?
Not too bad. Got lucky a couple of times, got a few hits.
When our ball club moved to Minnesota, frankly, I was not too happy about it. I knew it was going to be a little challenge to play in colder weather, but I've spent so many times over the years. The weather was still cold a lot of times when we played golf, but the fans in Minnesota had the warmest hearts of any fans in the whole world.
Cold right here. Cold beer. Cold beer. Roger, all the guys, the Hall of Fame.